సార్ బ్లర్ గా కనిపిస్తుంది సార్ బోర్డు.
Now being recorded.
ఓకే, అది సిగ్నల్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నట్టుంది ఇక్కడ, కొద్ది టైం తీసుకుంది. ఇప్పుడు కొద్ది
అక్కడ
క్లియర్
లైట్ ఆఫ్ చేయండి సార్, లైట్ ఫోకస్ పడుతుంది దాని మీద.
హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ నౌ?
ఆ కార్నర్ లో లైట్ ఫోకస్ పడుతుంది సార్.
ఆ కార్నర్లో తప్పదు, ఎందుకంటే 45 degrees
సార్
లైట్
క్లారిటీగానే కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే, కార్నర్లో కొద్దిగా ఎక్కువ పడుతుంది ఫోకస్. కార్నర్ ఇక్కడ అది మనం అవాయిడ్ చేయలేము. ఓన్లీ ట్యూబ్ లైట్స్ వేస్తే లైట్ తక్కువ ఉంది, అందుకు 1000 watts లైట్ ఆన్ చేసిన. ఆ కార్నర్ తప్ప మిగతా అంతా విజిబుల్ కదా. ఓకే, ఆ కార్నరు కొంచెం నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో దాన్ని కొంచెం చేద్దాం, మార్పులు చేర్పులు. ఓకే, ఐ స్టార్ట్ ద లెసన్. టుడే we'll discuss about feedback amplifiers. Okay, second unit I am starting today, so be alert. Actually, what is the feedback? We'll see now. Feedback means a portion of the output signal is taken from the output of the amplifier and is combined with the normal input signal. Okay, do you understand this statement? What is the meaning of feedback? Here you look at this board now. Normal amplifier is there, it can be CE or common collector or common base. This is the amplifier here. Okay, what we do in the feedback, we'll take a sample, a part of a portion of the output signal. Where the output signal is available? Output signal is available in, okay, in the output section, right? Is it not? This is the output section which has got a sampler. So from this we will collect a small portion of the output signal and that is fed to the input. Here is the input. Where is the input? For this amplifier, phi I is the input. Okay, and for the overall amplifier, the input is phi S. Okay, now a portion of the output signal is collected and then it is added to the input signal. Here input signal is phi S. For this amplifier, this basic amplifier whose magnitude is A here, for that amplifier, input is phi I and output is phi naught. Okay, you follow this. Now we connect this amplifier to load and also to the input signal. Then it acts as an amplifier. Otherwise, we call it as a normal transistor. The transistor will act as an amplifier when it is connected to load and when it is connected to, when its input is connected to small signal, some small AC signal. Here the phi S is the small AC signal. In the feedback, what we do is we collect a sample, a portion of the output signal. Here the output signal is phi 0 and input signal for this basic amplifier is phi S and here it is phi I. Okay, small portion of this phi 0 is collected and that is mixed with the input signal and that is applied to the input node for that basic amplifier. To look at the board now, the sampler is used for redirecting the output signal to the feedback network. We call this as feedback network, which has got feedback ratio beta which is less than 1. Here the input can be voltage or current. Why? Because the output of this basic amplifier can be voltage and also current, but it's the sampler, depending on the need, that the sampler will redirect the output, that is can be voltage or current. That's why I use this phi. This phi can be either voltage or current. So that is fed to this network. We call it as feedback network. Okay, whose feedback ratio is beta. It is less than 1. If it is 1, the complete signal will be available at the output of this feedback network. So that is nothing but phi F. It is fed to the mixer. What this mixer does is, this mixer will add the signal, add or subtract the signal to the input signal phi S. So phi S plus or minus this feedback signal, that is phi F, is equal to phi A. Okay, I followed, students. Any doubt? You want me to repeat again? Try to understand what is feedback here. How the sample is collected. A portion of the output signal is collected and it is and it is added to the input signal, added or subtracted. Okay, and then again it is applied to the input of this basic amplifier. Have you followed this? See, look at the diagram. I will once again repeat this. Feedback means a portion of the output signal is taken from the output of the amplifier. Here output of the amplifier is 50. Okay. So a portion of the output signal, here output is 50, is taken from the output of the amplifier and is combined with the normal input signal. Here what is the normal input signal? Small AC signal, that is 5S is the input signal. So the feedback signal here is 5F. It is part of output of this basic amplifier, that is 50. How to get a fraction of that? You have to multiply it with a fraction. Then only you get a fraction of output of that. Okay. If beta is less than 1, if it is equal to 1, the 50 will be available here. Complete 50 will be available at the output of this output of this feedback amplifier, output of this feedback network. If it is 0.5, only 50% will be available here. That will be mixed with this input signal 5S. Okay. And if it is 0.2, then only 20% of this 50 is available. That is nothing but the 5F. That is mixed with this 5S by using this mixture. The mixture will mix up this input signal and this 5F. And it is made available to the input of this basic amplifier. Okay, have you followed this? Just tell me the feedback. Have you followed or not? I will proceed further if you can understand this. అర్థమైందా లేదా? అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి. What is this sampler doing? Tell me. Here sampler in the output, sampler is there in the input side, mixer is there. So what is the purpose of the sampler? You tell me. Students, answer me. How you are taking a portion of this output signal? What the facility provided here in this feedback circuit? ఎవరికి అర్థం కావట్లేదా? అర్థమవుతుందా చెప్పండి. ఉమేష్ అర్థమవుతుందా?
సరిగ్గా బోర్డు కనిపించలేదు.
బోర్డు కనిపించట్లేదా?
సార్ రాస్తూ చెప్పండి
blurry గా
సార్, ఇంకొంచెం బాగా అర్థమైంది. అంటే ఫస్టే రాసేయకుండా రాస్తూ చెప్తే ఇంకొంచెం బాగా అర్థమైంది సార్.
అవును కదా. ఓకే ఓకే, ఐ విల్ డూ దట్. ఇది ఫస్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేద్దామని రాసిన. First, try to understand this. Feedback means a portion of output signal is taken and it is mixed with the input signal. Okay. ఇంతవరకు so far we have completed so many classes, 18 classes I think. We have studied about the amplifier, right? Let us consider a basic amplifier now. Basic amplifier. Amplifier whose voltage gain is A. Okay. Then let input be phi I and output be phi naught. Phi naught. So this is the basic amplifier. It can be common emitter or common collector. Common base వాడడం ఎందుకంటే అవుట్పుట్ తక్కువ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి. Common emitter or common collector. Here the feedback means a portion of the output signal. Here the output signal is phi naught, input signal is phi I. Okay. to make it as an amplifier, what we do? We have to connect output should be connected to a load and input should be connected to what? Output
Source.
should be connected, source. Output should be connected to a load, let it be RL, in this ILB current flowing. And we are using another setup here, facility we can call it as a sampler. The output of the sampler is same, 5 0 only. Okay. And here another one is the mixer is there, which also cannot be called as an adder. Here, this 5AC is the actual AC signal, small AC signal. This is the actual signal to be amplified, okay, for this basic amplifier. When we are not using any feedback, these are extra, okay, sampler and mixer are there, okay, they are not connected to anything. It will act as only a basic amplifier, which amplifies the input signal. 5S will be amplified by this basic amplifier whose gain is A. So output will be what now? You tell me, what is A now? A is equal to what? We have discussed
Voltage.
about 18 classes. Huh? A is equal to what? Voltage gain, which is equal
Voltage
to
gain, sir.
is equal to 5 0 by 5S. అది కావాలి నాకు. Okay. A is equal to output by input. Is it not? That you understood, right? A is equal to 5 0 by 5S when there is no feedback at all. Okay. Even if the feedback is there, A will be equal to 5 0 by 5I. Here if you consider A is equal to 5 0 by 5I. Okay. Now let us apply feedback network now. Feedback network, let it be, call it as a feedback network whose feedback ratio we call it as beta. We call it as, that is called as feedback ratio. Beta is nothing but feedback ratio. Feedback ratio, which is always less than 1. Why? Because we need only a sample of the output. Here the sampler will, whatever the voltage here we want to be available at this point, this can be connected to this feedback network. Okay. If you want current only, the sampler will correct only the current of this feedback network. So this input can be 50 only. It can be either current or voltage. Okay, depends upon the topology that we use. There are 4 types. Negative feedback lo 4 unnai. Voltage series, voltage shunt, current series, current shunt. Okay, avi tarvata clear meeku argument cheptanu. First, today you try to understand sampler will just make this output as input to this feedback network. Okay, what this feedback network will do? It multiplies with beta and that is fed to this mixer. We call it as phi f, the feedback signal. So what is the beta here now? Beta is equal to what? Here A is equal to output by input, phi naught by phi I. I think you follow this. But what about beta now? We call this as feedback ratio, not gain, feedback ratio. It is equal to what is output here? Phi f. Input to this feedback network is phi naught. So it is equal to phi f by phi 0. Okay. So what is phi f now? Phi f is nothing but phi f is the feedback signal is equal to beta times phi naught. So in that way we are getting a portion of the output signal. Have you followed this? Confident, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many of you are following this? కామ్గా ఉన్నారు అందరూ. నేనైతే సీరియస్ తీసుకుని చెప్తున్నా. మీరు చెప్పినట్టే అంత తీసేసి మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను. ఈరోజు కంప్లీట్ చేద్దాం అనుకుని మొత్తం రాసి పెట్టిన, జస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవచ్చు కదా స్లైడ్స్ లాగా, కానీ అది వర్కౌట్ అయ్యేటట్లేదు. నువ్వు చెప్పినట్టే నేను మొత్తం అరేంజ్ చేసినాను. ఐ హావ్ డ్రాన్ ద బ్లాక్ దట్ యాంప్లిఫైర్, ఇట్స్ అవుట్పుట్, ఇన్పుట్, అండ్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ నౌ. వితౌట్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. వెన్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో ఫీడ్బ్యాక్, okay, the input is 5s and output is 5 now. Okay, for this basic amplifier, input is 5i and output is 50, and it is connected to the small signal. The small signal will be amplified and it is available at the load. Now coming to feedback, now we want a small portion of the output signal. What is the output signal here? Is it 50 or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you just answer me whatever questions I put, you just answer me so that I can understand whether you are following or not. So 50 is the output signal. As per this statement, we need a portion of that. So here what the sampler is doing, sampler duty is to feed the signal to this feedback network. Okay, it feeds the complete signal, whatever it is available at this point. It is available here also, and it can redirect this. That facility is provided by the sampler. Sampler will provide the complete signal to this feedback network. The feedback network, feedback ratio is beta. So output of this feedback network will be beta times the input. Okay. It is tilted. Okay. Now it is okay, I think. Display.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. You think this as if it is an amplifier. This feedback network also like an amplifier. So if it is an amplifier, what is the formula for gain? Gain is equal to output by input, is it not? So beta is equal to, for this FBN, output is 5f and input is 50. So beta is equal to 5f by 50. And here A, for A, output is 50 and input is 5a. So A is equal to 50 by 5a. So far it is okay? Okay or not?
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. Now beta is less than 1. So beta, this 5f is equal to beta times 50. So if beta is equal to 1, this 5f will be 50 only, is it not? Okay. If beta is 0.5, then we will get only 50% of this signal. That means we are collecting a portion of that, means 50% of the signal we are collecting. If it is 0.25, we are collecting only 25% of that signal. In that way, this beta value will be always, it is generally around, beta value will be generally 0.001 or 0.02 like that. Only a small portion of this signal will be collected like this from the output signal. So this facility is doing that for us. So 5f is nothing but it is a small portion of this output signal. By using this feedback network, we are able to collect the small portion of this output signal 50. So here beta into 50 is the feedback signal. Now this feedback signal is to be added to this input signal. The input signal is 5s. Are you agreed with, are you following this? Are you convinced with this? 5s. 5s is the input signal. Okay. I have done many problems also for the basic amplifier, that is, has to be connected to the, I have said many times, the source signal and with a source resistance in series with that. Here we are using only the source signal, that is 5s. Okay, this 5s is to be added to 5f. The feedback signal, that is a small portion of this output signal, is 5f. It is added to 5s. If it is a positive feedback, we will add. That is, if it is positive feedback, we will add this 5f to input signal 5s. That is 5f, which is equal to 5i now. So this 5i will be nothing but 5s plus 5f. This mixture is adding these two, and that is available to at the input of this basic amplifier. Okay, have you got the point now, students? Are you
Yes, sir.
following? So try to understand this. If you don't understand, you ask me. I will repeat. Any number of times I can repeat. Why? Because if we can't understand this, we cannot go further. This is the first topic in the second unit. You try to understand this feedback. Feedback means we are collecting a part of output signal only. How to collect? This feedback network is used for collecting the a small amount of output signal. The output signal is 50. We want some percentage of that. We want 10% of that, 20% of that, or 2% of that. The 2% is how we will get that? It depends on the beta value. If beta is 0.1, we will get only 0.1 of this 50. So in that way, we are able to collect a small portion of the output signal, okay, by using that feedback network. We'll go slowly so that everybody understand this concept. Okay, 5F is available. It is nothing but a small portion of 50. I think you follow now. This small portion has to be added to the input signal. Okay. For positive feedback, this will be added to this. For negative feedback, this will be subtracted from this. So we can use plus or minus. 5S plus or minus 5F will be equal to 5A. That is nothing but the input, which is an input signal to basic amplifier. Okay, if this feedback is not there, means this input signal is nothing but the source signal only. Okay, but we are using a feedback signal that is a small portion of the output signal that is added to this. In positive feedback, it is added to this. If it is a negative feedback, you subtract this 5F from 5S. Okay, that function is done by this mixer. So you should try to understand what the mixer is doing and what the sampler is doing. Sampler will redirect the output to this. That will act as an input to this FBN, and the FBN will collect a portion of this signal by using this beta. That is nothing but 5F. 5F is equal to a fraction of 50. That is added to 5S. It can be subtracted or added. If it is a positive feedback, it is added. If it is a negative feedback, it is subtracted from the input signal. Okay. Now let us do the derivation part now. I think you know what is 5S. 5S is nothing but a small AC signal, and 50 is the output signal. Okay, and 5F is the feedback signal, and the 50 is here only. You can say that is the output signal for this basic amplifier, and there is input signal for the feedback network. And beta is the feedback ratio, and what is A? A is the voltage gain of the basic amplifier. Okay, I think you understood all these parameters. Now RL is the load resistor. Okay, now let us find the relation between the feedback, that is feedback gain in terms of feedback gain in terms of this basic amplifier gain. Let us see now. In the dotted line, I will show the feedback amplifier. So this is the feedback amplifier whose gain, that is voltage gain, is denoted by AF. AF is the gain of the feedback amplifier when feedback is considered. When feedback is not considered, gain of the amplifier is A. When feedback is considered, gain is AF. AF is equal to A by 1 plus or minus A into beta. That we have to derive. So look at the board now. In the positive feedback, the feedback is two types, that is positive feedback and negative feedback. అందుకోసం చదువుకొని రమ్మని చెప్పిన మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా వచ్చి కూర్చున్నారు అంత ఆయమయం కనపడుతుంది. ఈవెన్ దెన్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రయింగ్ టు explain everything in detail. Okay, FB means feedback, not Facebook. And PFB means positive feedback, NFB means negative feedback. In the positive feedback, what we are doing? We are adding feedback signal to the input signal. Is it not? So what is happening here? The input value is increasing or decreasing? Just answer me. మీకు అప్పుడు కాన్సెప్ట్ క్లియర్ అవుతుంటుంది. In the positive feedback, what we are doing?
Adding, sir.
So we are adding. So when we are adding, what is happening here? This input signal is increasing or decreasing? Phi I?
Increasing, sir.
Yeah, I am writing this. In the positive feedback, this phi I is increased. When phi I is increased, automatically phi 0 also increased or not?
Yes, sir. Increase, sir.
So phi 0 also increases. So when phi 0 increases, then AF also increases or not? Positive feedback. When phi I is increases, phi 0 increases, this A also will increase or not? Increase అవుతుందా లేదా?
అవుతుంది, sir.
Simple కదా. A. This A will be increased. If you do not give any feedback, for example, A is equal to some 50. If you give feedback, the input is increased, automatically output also increased. Is it not? Why? Because the A is more than 1. It is around just, let us say it is 50 or 60, let us say. So when phi A is increased, output also increased, therefore A also increased. Okay. When A is increased, this feedback gain also increases. In the case of positive feedback, this feedback gain increases. Okay, when feedback gain increases, noise also will increase. Oh, just remember this. When feedback gain increases, noise also increases, and it leads to instability of the amplifier. These are the effects of positive feedback, and it reduces the bandwidth. Bandwidth of the amplifier is reduced. I have shown that frequency response curve while I was teaching you using those PPTs. I explained that frequency response curve. In RC coupled amplifier, discuss about the frequency response curve. X-axis represents frequency and Y-axis represents the gain. And we have studied a curve like this. Curve like this. This is F1. This frequency is F2. Okay. This is mid-frequency region, which is constant. Mid-frequency region. This is high-frequency region, and this is low-frequency region. And this is gain. Y-axis represents gain, that is V2 by V1, and x-axis represents frequency. Okay. So bandwidth is F2 minus F1. So it reduces the bandwidth and increases the distortion noise. The output signal will be distorted. In the positive feedback, output to waveform will be distorted. There will be a lot of noise in the output, and bandwidth also will be decreased, and there will be instability. That Q point will not be constant. Generally, the Q point should be at the center of the load line. That Q point will be disturbed. So the only one advantage that positive feedback signal has got is it can act as an oscillator. Okay, we'll see that also. Let us derive that this equation now. Let us derive for the positive feedback amplifier now. Okay. Somebody trying to ask me question? Any question you have? Please ask me before going to derivation part. ఇక్కడ ఏమర్థం కదా అడగని చెప్తాను. You want to ask some question? 202. Who is 202?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Vinay Kumar. Okay. Feedback means అర్థమైంది కదా. Feedback signal ఎలా మనము procure చేస్తున్నాము. How it is added to the input signal after adding input signal. If it is a positive feedback, I have to add. If it is negative feedback, I have to subtract. That's it. Okay. Now we are seeing about the positive feedback now. In positive feedback, phi I is increased. Why? Because we are adding. Thereby, phi naught also increased. So A also increased. and AF also will be increasing in this case. In the negative feedback, what is happening? In the negative feedback, to the input signal, this phi f is subtracted from the input signal. So here this phi I is equal to phi s minus phi f. In the positive feedback we added, now here we are subtracting. So this phi I will decrease, therefore phi naught also will decrease, is it not? Phi naught also will decrease gradually. Phi I decreases, phi naught also decreases. So A also will decrease. So AF also will decrease. So in the feedback amplifiers, we will be losing that gain. That is the, what is that gain? Voltage gain. This AF will be less than A. Whereas in this case, positive feedback, AF will be greater than A. Magnitude of this will be greater than A. Whereas in the negative feedback, AF will be less than A. Only that is the only drawback we have in the negative feedback. But there are many advantages. Here, the bandwidth will be improved. Okay, and the amplifier will be very stable here. Okay, at the expense of that, what is that? We are losing reduction in voltage gain. Okay, that is only the drawback here. The advantages are stability of the amplifier is increased, bandwidth also increased, and the distortion also will be decreased, and the noise also will be decreased here. This opposite than case. So we'll see the derivation part now. So this dotted line indicates what? Dotted line is feedback amplifier. Okay. So what, for this feedback amplifier, what is the gain? You tell me. Let AF be the gain of the feedback amplifier. So for this amplifier, what is output and what is input? You tell me. For feedback amplifier, AF is the gain. For this basic amplifier, that is without feedback, what is the voltage gain? That is A. A is equal to phi naught by phi I. But for the feedback amplifier, AF is equal to, what is the output for this feedback amplifier? This is the dotted line. What is the output of this feedback amplifier? Tell me now. You see the board and tell me what is the output? మీరు చూస్తున్నారా ఇట్లా చూస్తున్నారా మొబైల్ చూస్తున్నారా లేకపోతే మొబైల్ పడే వెళ్ళిపోయారా clearly telling this dotted line is the feedback amplifier. Output is phi naught. So phi naught is the output and the input is phi s. So phi naught by phi s. Okay. So for positive feedback amplifier, we are adding phi a feedback signal to input signal giving phi I, right? So we are getting phi I from this equation, phi s plus phi f. Phi s plus phi f is equal to phi I. So what is phi s here now? So from this equation you tell me what is phi s? Quite, it's very simple derivation. So for the complete amplifier, output is phi 0, input is phi s. So for the complete feedback amplifier, that gain is AF. AF is equal to output by input, phi naught by phi s. So what is phi s here from this equation? For feedback amplifier, phi s plus phi f, that is feedback is added to input signal, which is giving phi I now. So what is phi s now? Tell me from this equation. Are you seeing the board or not?
Seeing.
చెప్పు phi s ఏంటి?
Output, sir.
అవునమ్మా ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ phi s చెప్పొచ్చు కదా. Phi s plus phi f is equal to phi I. I want phi s now ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయడానికి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి what is phi s? 5i minus 5f. అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
మరి అది చెప్పడానికి కడుతున్నారు అందరూ. 10th క్లాస్ ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇవి సైమల్టేనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్లు కూడా వస్తాయి. a ప్లస్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు సి అంటే బి ఈక్వల్ టు సి మైనస్ ఏ. సో సింపుల్. సో హియర్ 5s is equal to 5i minus 5f. This 5 may not be clear. This is 5f. 5i minus 5f. So 5s is equal to, it can be written as 5 naught by 5s is 5i minus 5f. Very simple, is it not? We are deriving this. We are trying to find out the feedback gain for the positive feedback amplifier now. Positive feedback. Next we will see negative feedback. So for the positive feedback, signal is added to the input signal. So 5s plus 5f is equal to 5i. So from this, but the feedback gain is equal to 5 naught by 5s. 5s equal to 5i by 5f from this equation. So which is equal to 5 naught, which is equal to 1 by divided denominator by 5 naught. Then you will get 5i by 5 naught minus 5f by 5 naught. So tell me what are these ratios? 5i by 5 naught and 5f by 5 naught from this diagram, from the block diagram. What is 5i by 5 naught? 5i by 5 naught. 5 naught by 5i is a. So 5i by 5 naught will be 1 by a. Okay? And 5f by 5 naught is feedback ratio beta. Just substitute those values, then you will get that AF is equal to A by 1 minus A into beta. So substitute those values. Substitute here. So here AF equal to 1 by, what is this 5i by 5 naught? Tell me. కామ కూర్చుంటే ఇలా మీరు చెప్పాలా పిల్లలు? స్టూడెంట్స్,
Yes, sir.
1 by a, not a. 1 by a. A is equal to 5 naught by 5i. So 5i by 5 naught is 1 by a minus 5f by 5 naught. 5f by 5 naught, this one, that is beta. 5f by 5 naught, input to this is 5 naught, output is 5f. So beta is equal to 5f by 5 naught. So just write beta here. So AF equal to A by 1 minus A into beta. Okay? A into beta is nothing but loop gain. This loop is there, na? Loop gain. This A into beta is called as loop gain. You remember that? Okay? This is voltage gain and this is feedback network ratio. We call it as feedback network ratio. Okay, or we can call it feedback ratio, which is equal to 5f by 5 naught. So for positive feedback, AF is equal to, that is voltage gain with feedback is equal to voltage gain without feedback by 1 minus AB, where A is voltage gain without feedback. Okay, if you consider only this circuit, this one, this block diagram, AF is equal to A by 1 minus A into beta. Okay. And now let us see about feedback gain for negative feedback now. So negative feedback, what is happening at the input side? What the mixer is doing? Mixer is adding or subtracting? The negative feedback, what the mixer is doing? Is it adding or subtracting? Positive feedback, it is adding. It is adding the feedback signal to the input signal. Okay, for negative feedback, what it is doing? Negative feedback.
Subtracting, sir.
Yeah. So in the negative feedback, we'll see what is happening now. This mixture is, so 5s, this is subtracting this 5f. Mixture is subtracting and it is assigned to 5i. So we can say 5i is equal to 5s minus 5f. Very clear now, students? Now we are discussing about negative feedback now. Okay. The negative feedback, the mixer is subtracting the feedback signal from the input signal. Okay. Now, what is feedback gain for this feedback transistor? This dotted line use feedback amplifier now. So for this feedback amplifier, gain is equal to, tell me now, what is gain of the feedback amplifier? Phi naught by phi IF, phi SR. Still confused, huh? Time is running out. Just answer me. How many are there? Totally, I think 30 are there now today. All are simply sitting. So what is feedback gain now here? AF is equal to what? The dotted line outside the phi naught undi. Itu the input phi s undi. So what is AF? Cheppanda?
Phi naught by phi.
మరి అది చెప్పు చావచ్చు కదా, కామ్గా ఉన్నారు అందరూ. సో phi naught by phi s, which is equal to phi naught by what is phi s from this equation? Tell me.
Phi I plus phi f.
Phi I plus phi f.
మరి అది చెప్తా ఉంటే ఫాస్ట్గా వెళ్తాం కదా, లేకపోతే ఊరికి చూడడం ముందు శంకర్ ముందు అంటే ఇప్పుడు 4 కోట్ల మంది నేను ఉన్నాను, మీరు అక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నా నాకు తెలియదు, మీరు వీడియో ఆన్ చేసుకుని తెలుస్తుంది మీరు వింటున్నారా లేదా అని. మీరు వీడియో ఆఫ్ చేసేసుకుంటారు, ఊరికే వినొచ్చు వినకపోవచ్చు, అవునా? ఇక్కడేమో నేను సీరియస్ చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతున్నా ప్రతి పాయింట్, అక్కడ ఎక్కడ డౌట్ చదివితే మీరు కామ్గా ఉంటారు, అంటే మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా నాకు తెలియదు. సో phi s ఈక్వల్ టు ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ phi I plus phi f. You said it rightly. So which is equal to, now divide numerator and denominator by phi 0, then you will get phi I by phi naught plus phi f by phi naught. You tell me now what is phi I by phi naught and phi f by phi naught, which is equal to 1 by phi I by phi naught enti
1 by a.
1 by a.
1 by a, good, plus phi f by phi naught beta, it get reduced to a by 1 plus a beta. You should remember this equation. For negative feedback we get a plus sign here, and for positive feedback we get a minus sign in the denominator, and this AB is nothing but loop gain we call it as, and in this A is what? It is gain without feedback, and AF is gain with feedback. Okay, and beta is, tell me what is beta? ఇవన్నీ మీకు చెప్తా ఉంటేనే మైండ్ రికార్డ్ అవుతాయి, అర్థమవుతాయి చదివేటప్పుడు. ఫటాఫట్ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ బీటా, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ బీటా? బీటా is what?
Feedback net.
Feedback, right? Feedback, last to the
Feedback networks.
feedback ratio. This is feedback network, and beta is the ratio of that feedback ratio, we call it as feedback ratio. Remember that feedback ratio ante it is less than 1 always. Why? Because we are collecting a part of the output signal. That output signal is input to this, so we'll to extract a part of that, I have to multiply it by a rational number which is less than 1. Okay, now we got this a by 1 plus ab. Is it less than 1 or greater than 1? Is it less than a or greater than a? That AF, magnitude of AF, that is the gain of amplifier with feedback, is it less than or greater than a? Tell me. I have already discussed this just before starting this derivation. For positive feedback, that gain will be increasing. Why? Because we are adding a portion of the output signal. Here we are subtracting, so automatically gain will decrease. So feedback gain also will decrease, and it is less than gain without feedback. What is AF? It is gain of the amplifier with feedback, and A is gain of the amplifier without feedback. So with feedback, the amplitude, we are losing a part of the amplitude, is it not? So at the expense of this, we are getting some advantages. What are those advantages? Tell me. Here we are losing the amplitude, right? When there is no feedback, that gain is, voltage gain is A. Okay. If you use feedback, that means if you use part of signal and add it to the input, okay, make it as a feedback amplifier, then we are losing some part of the gain of the amplifier. Okay, when we are losing something, in return we should gain something. What are those we are gaining? In return, the amplifier, stability of the amplifier is improved here. Okay, stability will be improved. Frequency penchukuntu pochu, bandwidth also improved, and there is no distortion in the output signal. So these are the effects of negative feedback. Okay, in the output signal there won't be any distortions. Smooth ga wave bayatku vachestundi. Noise also will be reduced considerably. Okay, we'll see about all these things now. Have you followed this derivation? Students, are you happy with this derivation? Have you followed?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Girls, Sangeet, they were quiet. Are you following? Sangeet, వచ్చినా లేదా? CR వచ్చిందా? LR absent, CR also absent today? Why are you keeping quiet? Just answer my questions so that you can understand well. Huh? ఉమేష్ అర్థమవుతుందా? నీకు అర్థమైతే అందరికి వచ్చినట్టే ఇంకా. ఉమేష్
సార్
అర్థమవుతుందా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఎనీ డౌట్?
కానీ సార్ అక్కడ పాజిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అని నెగిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అని ఎట్లా చెప్పండి సార్?
వెరీ గుడ్. మెయిన్ పాయింట్ అదే కదా. ఇప్పుడు పాజిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అంటే we add extra signal. What is that extra signal? We are getting a portion of the output signal. Okay, it is in our hands now. It should be added to input signal, right? In the positive signal, we will add this signal to the input signal. Okay, where is input signal here? Is it 5S or not?
Yes, sir.
5S is input signal. What is the feedback signal here? A portion of the output signal, where is it available? ఎక్కడ ఉంది అది?
Why not?
A portion of the output signal. Output signal is 5 naught. Okay. We want a portion of it. A portion of it and you multiply that by a fraction. 0.5 the multiply cheste, we will get 50% of that signal. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 25% of 0.25 the multiply cheste, we will get 25% of the output signal. So this we are multiplying the signal. Here it is available 50. We are multiplying the signal by beta. See 50 into beta to get this 5f. So this 5f is nothing but what? It is a portion of this output signal 50. అర్థమైంది? ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది అందరికీ? Feedback means we should collect a portion of the output signal. That is done by using this feedback network. Okay. So 5f is a portion of the output signal. Now it is there in our hands, let us say. In the positive feedback, what do we do? You just add this to the input signal in the positive feedback. So we will get 5s plus 5f equal to 5i. So here this 5i is nothing but 5s plus 5f is equal to 5i in the positive feedback. We have derived that equation. What we got? We got 5f is equal to 1 by a by 1 minus a into beta. Okay. In the negative feedback, what we do? This mixer will subtract this 5f minus 5s. That is 5s minus 5f. In the negative feedback, here it will be 5s minus 5f is equal to 5a. That will be input to this amplifier. Okay. Here output emosthundi. This input into a will get the output 50. అర్థమైందా ఉమేష్? మళ్ళీ చెప్పాలా?
Yes, sir.
క్లియర్గా?
సార్ నెగిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఇంకా సార్ చెప్తా.
నెగిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అంటే మైనస్ చేసుడే. ఫస్ట్ యూ టెల్ మీ హౌ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద శాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ ది అవుట్పుట్ సిగ్నల్. శాంపుల్ అంటే పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అవుట్పుట్ సిగ్నల్. హౌ యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్? హౌ యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఏ? అది చెప్పు, కరెక్ట్ చెప్పు. Which formula is used for getting a part of output signal and where it is stored, where it is assigned to? It is assigned to which variable, you can say. In which variable it is there, that value. Computer science భాషలో చెప్పాలంటే what this feedback network is doing? Feedback network input ఏముంది?
Five.
Input 5F.
సార్ ఇన్పుట్ ఇచ్చుకున్నట్టుంది.
ఇన్పుట్ ఏం చెప్పు. ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ నెట్వర్క్లో ఇన్పుట్ ఏంటి, అవుట్పుట్ ఏంటి? ఎవరండి చెప్పండి, అర్థమైన వాళ్ళు.
5 సార్ ఇన్పుట్.
వెరీ గుడ్. 5 is input and output is
5 is the output.
5 is the output. So 5F is nothing but a portion of the output signal. What is 5F now? 5F is equal to what? Beta is equal to 5F by 5 ena? Convinced or not?
Yes, sir.
Beta is equal to 5F by 5 input to 5 to output to 5F. So beta is equal to output by input. So beta is equal to 5F by 5. Okay. So 5F is equal to beta into 5. Certainly this beta into 5 will be less than 5. Avuna? Opputa? Beta into 5 and the beta value will be always some value 0.0 something, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03 ఉంటుంది. So in that way we are collecting a sample or a portion of the output signal. Portion కావాలంటే just multiply it by a fraction part. దాన్ని కట్ చేసుడే కదా శాంపుల్ అంటే. మనకు బ్లడ్ కావాలంటే with the syringe will take some sample from the blood vein. అలానే we want some sample of this output signal. Complete output signal is 5. So we need only sample of that. How to get that sample? You multiply with beta and then assign that to 5F. So for that we are doing, we are using a feedback network here. FBN and a feedback network. Okay, whose feedback ratio is beta. The amplifier లాగానే మీరు అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకోండి. దీనికి ఇన్పుట్ వచ్చేసి 50, అవుట్పుట్ is 5F. So beta equal to output by input. Okay. So 5F is the feedback signal which is equal to 50 into beta. So obviously this value will be less than this 5. So it is only a sample of 5. I hope everybody understood this. Now the sample of the output signal is in your hand now, that you can add to the input signal or you can subtract the same amount from the input signal. Positive feedback ఏం చేస్తామంటే just add చేస్తాం. That is 5S plus 5F is equal to 5i. ఈ మిక్సర్ తర్వాత వాట్ ఎవర్ ద అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ ద మిక్సర్ దట్ విల్ బి అసైన్ టు 5i. ఇస్ ఇట్ నాట్? మిక్సర్కి ఇన్పుట్ వచ్చేసి 5i. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ మిక్సర్ ఈస్ డూయింగ్? ఇట్ ఈస్ మిక్సింగ్ 5s and 5f. That means it is adding 5s and 5f. For positive feedback it adds, put a plus between these two. For negative feedback it subtracts. ఏ ఉమేష్ అర్థమైంది ఎప్పుడన్నా? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, subtract చేస్తాం. ఆ వాల్యూ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద వాల్యూ దట్ యూ గెట్ ఆఫ్టర్ యాడింగ్ ఆర్ సబ్స్ట్రాక్టింగ్, దట్ ఈస్ అసైన్ టు 5i. Okay, this is the equation doing that. In a negative feedback, this 5f is subtracted from 5i, it is added to and it is assigned to 5i. It is equal to 5i. That means 5i is nothing but difference of these two, 5s minus 5f. In positive feedback, 5i is equal to 5s plus 5i. 5s plus 5f. అర్థమైంది అందరికీ? పాజిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్, నెగిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఎవరికైనా అర్థం కావాలి చెప్పండి, రిపీట్ చేస్తా. ఏమర్థం కాలేదు కరెక్ట్ చెప్తే రిపీట్ చేస్తాం మొత్తం. సార్ నువ్వు ఎస్ అనే ముందుకు వెళ్తాముగా. అవి ఫాలోడ్ ఎవ్రీబడి. I think many girls
Yes,
are there. No girl is responding. Girls, are you following? Or shall I put absent to all the girls? Assuming that you were not there in the class, virtual class.
అర్థమైంది సార్.
అర్థమైంది సార్. ఎవరండి? ప్రవళికనా?
సార్.
అది కావాలమ్మా. క్లియర్గా చెప్తా ఉంటే మేము పెయిన్ తీసుకుంటాం, బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి చెప్తాము. మీరు కాము కూర్చుంటే సినిమా చూస్తే ఎట్లా? ఏమని అడిగితే యూ షుడ్ రెస్పాండ్ అవుతే నాకు తెలుస్తుంది మీకు ఎంతవరకు అర్థమైంది, అర్థం కాలేదు, మళ్ళీ ఏం రిపీట్ చేయాలి. ఓవరాల్ ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా? వాట్ ఈస్ పాజిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్, వాట్ ఈస్ ది నెగిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్, వాట్ ఈస్ లూప్ గెయిన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద గెయిన్ ఆఫ్ ది amplifier with feedback and without feedback. You tell me what is without feedback? Tell me. Gain without feedback. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ చెప్పండి. Amplifier gain without feedback. Amplifier gain with feedback. What are the symbols used? Gain without feedback. A. Gain with feedback. AF. Okay. This is without feedback. This is with feedback. And beta is nothing but feedback network or feedback ratio. Remember, feedback ratio is beta. And A into beta, we call it as overall loop gain. Okay, generally, two gains are multiplied to get overall gain. Okay, in that way we can say that for this loop, A into B is loop gain. Okay, in the positive feedback, what are the effects? What are the effects, you tell me? What are the drawbacks of positive feedback?
Noise ఎక్కువ
Positive feedback drawback. Noise ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది. Very good. Instability. It increases the instability of the
Instability.
amplifier. Instability means that Q point center లో ఉండకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది? Wave distort అవుతుంది. Output wave form will be distorted. And it increases the noise also. Noise distortion increase అవుతుంది. And it reduces the bandwidth. And fourth one is it increases the instability. Four గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Effects of positive feedback. దీంట్లో ప్లస్ పాయింట్ ఏముంది చెప్పండి పాజిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ లో. The positive feedback, when this loop gain is equal to 1, this AF for the positive feedback I am telling, AF is equal to, when AB is equal to 1, what will happen? When this overall, when loop gain is equal to 1, what will happen? Denominator will become 0. Is it not? Yes or no? When this AB equal to 0, just when AB equal to 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So without applying any input signal, we will get an AC signal. That is the advantage of this AF. For positive feedback, without applying any DC, any signal, or you just give a DC signal, 0 frequency, okay? Then you will get output, an AC signal you will get. That is nothing but oscillator. So in the second part of second unit, we'll discuss about the oscillator that is based on this positive feedback. So actually what is AF? AF is equal to any gain, voltage gain is equal to output by input. Input is 0. Okay? When input is 0, even then we are getting output. That is, we'll get an AC signal. Okay? We use that property for designing the oscillators. Okay, remember this point. Okay. Now, let us see about the effects of negative feedback. What are those effects? Tell me. దీనికి క్వైట్ ఆపోజిట్ ఉంటాయి. ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ పాజిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్లో ఇంక్రీజెస్ ది ఇన్స్టెబిలిటీ అన్నాం కదా. ఇన్ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ నెగిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ది స్టెబిలిటీ విల్ బి ఇంక్రీజ్. దట్ ఈస్ there will be stabilization of the gain. And here it reduces the bandwidth అన్నాం కదా పాజిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్లో. In the negative feedback, there will be increase in bandwidth. And there will be decrease in distortion and noise also will be decreased. So these are the 4 effects of negative feedback. Now let us derive the derivations for stabilization of gain. Okay, in the negative feedback, let us derive that derivation. No, let us derive that formula for the stabilization of gain for the negative feedback amplifiers. I think already this time was up. I think 4-5 is it? Continue tomorrow. I think tomorrow we have class. So you want me to repeat? I will repeat again. ఎందుకంటే రిపీట్ మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే జస్ట్ ఊరికి ముందుకు వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటాం. సిలబస్ అయితే అయిపోతూ ఉంటుంది, నాకు డ్యూటీ అయిపోతుంది అంతే. అలా కాకుండా మీకు అర్థమవుతుందే కదా, నాకు కూడా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతాను చెప్పింది అర్థమవుతుంది. Ask me the doubts if you have any in today's class. Any doubt is there? Negative feedback అర్థమైందా ఉమేష్?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
గుడ్. నెగిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్లో సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాము, పాజిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ యాడ్ చేస్తాం అంతే. Number 1. One is absent. Okay, 2.
Present, sir.
So present. One absent. 3. 3 absent. 4.
Present, sir.
5. 5 absent. 6 absent. 7 absent. 8.
8 present, sir.
Okay,
8 present, sir.
9. Okay, marked. Manasa 9. Okay, 10. Gangadhar. 11. Saranya. 11 present, absent. Present. 11 అంటే సంగీత వస్తుంది.
సార్ వచ్చింది సార్.
వచ్చిందా?
వచ్చింది సార్.
ఓకే, మళ్ళీ 12 అభినయ.
Present, sir.
13 శ్రీజ.
Present, sir.
14 కీర్తి. 15 వెంకటేష్. 16 నితీష్.
16 yes, sir.
16 yes. 17 అమూల్య.
17 present, sir.
18 వికాస్.
Present, sir.
19 మాధవి.
Present, sir.
20 సంగీత.
Present, sir.
21 శశికుమార్.
21 absent, sir.
22 రవితేజ.
22 present, sir. 22 present, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే. 23 ప్రసాద్.
Present, sir.
20 present. 24 దినేష్. absent. 25 అజయ్. absent. 26 శివ కవిత.
26 present, sir.
ఓకే. 28 శ్రీనాథ్. 29 తరుణ్. అవును, సిఆర్ తరుణా సంగీత?
నో సార్, కాదు సార్.
ఎవరు సిఆర్? ఎవరు సిఆర్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్? ఎవరు తీసుకుంటున్నారు క్లాస్ ని?
రోల్ నెంబర్ 49 తరుణ్ సార్.
ఆ తరుణా? ఓకే ఓకే. 49. ఓకే. 30 ప్రియాంక. 31 భాష.
ప్రేమ్ సార్.
32 జాకీ షరీఫ్. 33 యాసిన్. 35 వంశీ.
Present, sir.
36 రేణుకా.
Present, sir.
37 సుప్రియ రైట్. 38 ప్రవీణ్. 39 సందీప్.
ఆబ్సెంట్ సార్.
ఓకే. 40 ప్రవళిక. ఆబ్సెంట్. 41 వెంకట్. ఆబ్సెంట్. 42
Present, sir.
విశ్చితనా?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 43, Pravalika.
Present,
Right.
sir.
44, Srinivaslu. Absent. Totally absent. 45, Lokesh.
Present, sir.
46, Nagaraju. 47, Anusha.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
46 present, Nagaraj.
Yes, sir.
49, Tarun.
Present, sir.
51, Vamsi. Absent. Y. Praveen, 52. Unada? 53, Umesh.
53 present, sir.
54, Meghana. Absent. 55, Ishwar. Ishwar absent, na? Okay. We will continue tomorrow.
Sir, 54
Sir,
uన్నారు, sir.
54 present.
54, Meghana. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Sir.
214 present.
2-1, na?
214, sir.
14 అని చెప్పు. Kirti. Okay, 214 present. Any clarifications?
Option is repeat చేస్తాం.
Sir, 240 present, sir.
240 present. Absenteeism ఎక్కడ ఇంతవరకు మొబైల్ దూరం పెట్టామండి.
కాదు సార్, సిగ్నల్ లేదు సార్.
ఓకే, ఏదో అంటుండ్రు, ఏదో చెప్పాలి. 224,
అవును సార్.
224, దినేష్.
241 present, sir.
241, నువ్వు చెప్తున్నావా?
Network problem, sir.
నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. 241. 241, వెంకట్.
Yes, sir.
డిస్ప్లే కరెక్ట్గానే వస్తుందా మీకు అందరికి? బోర్డ్ డిస్ప్లే స్టూడెంట్స్, డిస్ప్లే ఓకే కదా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే కదా? ఆ కార్నర్ ఒకటి ట్రై చేస్తా, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో చూద్దాం. టుమారో ఐ థింక్ వీ హ్యావ్ క్లాస్. ఓకే, బాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్.